So if you click this button, you will see cruise control icon on the top here, and if you click this again, it will go off. Here you will see traction control icon. So this motorcycle now gets the traction control also, which it did not get previously. And here you will see the ABS icon, so this also gets the cornering ABS now. And let's now go inside the menu. So we'll use these buttons. If I click this one, I'll go inside, and you will see right here the ride modes. So previously this did not get the ride modes also. Now it gets 3 ride modes. So if you see here, you will see street, then off-road, then rain mode. You can also configure these ride modes. Here you will see configure street, and when you go inside this, you will see ABS modes, MTC, traction control, quick shifter, display mode. All these things you can set as per your requirement. Now we go inside the information section. Here you will see trip 1, trip 2, fuel range, coolant temperature, battery, odometer, clock and date, and service and warnings. All these were there in the previous variant as well. If we go down, you will see this cruise control section here. Here also there are 2 modes. One is cruise control and other is the speed control mode. Below this there are navigation, music and phone menus, which will be activated when you connect your mobile phone with this console. If we go down again, you will see this settings menu. If we go inside this, you will see favorites. Then there is quick selector, which you can set on these top and bottom arrow keys. And there is this custom switch, which is this button, C switch. And if we go down again, there's connectivity, so you can connect your mobile phone with this using Bluetooth. Then there is shift light, then there is clock and date, there are units, there is language, there is extra function.